Is it good? Y'all, everybody say we look alike. Do we look alike? What? We gonna get some blue. Hey y'all, I'm gonna put the video of that clip where the little girl, she's sitting in the chair and her little sister, she was like, blueberries, blueberries, blueberries. And she fell off the chair. That's what blueberries remind me of. I got some.
It's yumma. Yeah. There's apples in there. Apples, blueberries, and strawberries. Blueberry. You forgot blueberries. I said blueberries. Blueberries.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Erica Love, and as y'all can see, no more cotton candy. Natural. This is all my hair, y'all. All my hair. We working on my hair to get my hair back healthy. So we working on it, as y'all can see. I'll do another video. Oh, y'all can see the items right here a little bit. I kind of cheated. I got some raspberries, some blueberries, some strawberries, some coconut water, and the only thing that I'm missing is the pomegranates, because I couldn't find those. And I'm like, well, I be seeing people doing it with just the raspberry, the strawberries, and the blueberries, so I should be good. I wish I had the pomegranate seeds though, but we ain't gonna talk about that. That's another story. So I don't know, y'all. I love when I be having my natural hair sometimes done, like when it's first done and it's good, and then when I get like when it start getting regular, I'm like, oh, alright, but I miss my hair. It's so cute. Anyway, I'm doing a TikTok video. As y'all can see, y'all should already know. Y'all can't see, but I got the camera set up right here on this little thing. Matter of fact, let me turn my brightness all the way up. So yeah, it look cute, but I'm gonna have to fix it. But ooh, this is a cute filter. Anyway, I'm gonna make sure I put the link to this video in the description box so y'all can go watch the TikTok video, because I don't know how I'm gonna really do it. I'm just really going off of the dome. And yeah, I know y'all miss me. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, hit that bell, and let's get into the video. So this gonna be like the behind the scenes, cause how I do the video, I'ma just, you know, so I wanna just do the video, put it in a bowl and eat it, but I'm gonna just show y'all the behind the scenes. So I'm gonna use this bowl. I think you're supposed to cut up the strawberries, so we're gonna cut the strawberries up. And then I'm trying to think how many strawberries I need. Probably like 3 or something. Give me a little plate. And I gotta wash the strawberries off. Find some good strawberries. Blueberries. Now, I didn't like blueberries, but I had them in the yogurt, and I was like, blueberries is okay with me. Blueberries is okay with me. Hey, y'all, don't be saying nothing about my hands. I literally just got out the shower. Literally. My hands are clean. If anybody was wondering, my hands are clean. Okay. Right. So, let's see. That should be it. This look like about enough, don't it, y'all? That look like, ooh, I'm dropping. That looks like about enough to go in some cereal. Or maybe I should put a little bit more blue. I don't even know if I'm gonna like this. What if I don't like this, y'all? I ain't no picky eater, but it's some stuff that I do not like. Like, I will admit, I do not like. And it's some coconut water. Pure coconut water. 100% pure. So, okay, we're gonna wash this off. I think I'll show TikTok. Oh shit, I'm about to fall, y'all. No, I'm not gonna show TikTok all that. I'm gonna just put it in the bowl. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all. Just bring y'all to the sink so y'all can watch me wash this. Can y'all see? Oh, let me put y'all on some more. Y'all can't see nothing. Yep, okay. Okay, look at me. I told y'all I was trying to get better at my angles. I'm getting better. Okay. So, just some cold water. Put some cold water on this. You know, rinse these bad boys. Oh, shit. I forgot. Rinse these off real good. I should have rinsed them off in a bowl. This water on too hot. There we go. That's good. Yeah, rinse these off. Because, you know, people be putting their hands all on stuff. Trying to see what it feels like. Ooh, that's cold. That's real cold. Is it supposed to have these little whiskers on them or something? See that? That's a little weird, y'all. But I think that's good enough. That should be good enough. Alright, alright, alright. So, we got some clean blueberries. Scooch y'all back over. Hold on. My hand's wet. Hold on. Let me get this. Oh, and you're supposed to have ice. I forgot about that. I got some ice though. I ain't forget about it. Put the camera back down because y'all so y'all can see the table. Okay. That's good enough. Y'all can see, right? Yeah, y'all can see. Y'all can see. And I can put it down some. That's good enough. Okay. So let me get a knife. The way I look on TikTok, I look so yummy, scrumptious, dumpty. Y'all gotta make sure y'all go look at this video and see how good I look on TikTok. Okay, I guess I'm gonna put the raspberries in here. I never really ate raspberries, so I don't know. Oh, maybe I should show TikTok. I just don't. Okay, I'm gonna just aim the camera. Let me flip it over. Ooh, am my camera dirty or something? It ain't focusing. Focus it up. Y'all, I'm putting the strawberries and raspberries inside. As y'all can see. I gotta cut up the strawberries, so bear with me, y'all. Bear with me, bear with me. So we get somewhere, we get somewhere. Flip the camera back. I know it's like this. I never made a TikTok video like in angles. Get a little knife. I'm scared of knives, y'all. So, I've been scared of knives for a long time. Alrighty, look at me. I cut that up pretty good. Y'all can't see the bowl, can y'all? No, y'all can't see inside the bowl. Maybe if I stitch y'all up some. Ooh, see? Woo! Shit. Y'all see the inside. Y'all can see. Stop acting like y'all can't see. Y'all can see. Alright. Chop this bad baby up. I don't be liking the real white part of the strawberries. Just give me the strawberry. Okay. I'm surprised how I cut the strawberries up. That was pretty good. I really want to eat one of these strawberries. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. There we go. Chop that bad baby up. Chop that bad baby up. Let me stop because I told y'all I'm scared of knives. Y'all can't see me the whole time I'm blocking. Y'all don't want to see no more. I'm almost done cutting the strawberry. Oh shit. See? When it be these type of cuts, I be scared. Okay. Put all my little strawberries in there. Little strawberries, little strawberries, little strawberries. Okay. Oops. Pretty good. Okay. Where's my hands over? Let me get some ice. Well, I'm trying to think. Okay, so this is what the bowl looks like, y'all. Presentation is the key, you know. You gotta make it look presentable. It looks presentable, don't it? This might be my thumbnail. Let me put the camera up. Hold on. Hold on, let me put all this in. Oh shit. Dang. So hard making a thumbnail. Okay. Can y'all see the coconut? Okay, that's gonna be my thumbnail. I'm gonna try and make it my thumbnail. Okay. So I can set all of this to the side. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this on TikTok, cause you know ice melt real fast. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay. TikTok can't see nothing though. Y'all can't see nothing. Let me see. Y'all can just about see everything. Alright y'all, look, the presentation is everything. The presentation is everything. Y'all know ice melt fast, so I wanted to show y'all this, and then I'm gonna put the ice in, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm tapping it like real light so the camera don't fall, cause it's like it was at a perfect aim. It was at a perfect aim, y'all. We gonna get it back. Damn. You gotta be ghetto, you gotta find stuff. Oh shit. Okay, see, I want them to be able to see me doing what I'm doing. See, the camera gotta be down like this. Oh wait, don't just do go down. Okay. Okay, there we go. Y'all can see. Okay. Alright. Why am I so nervous? Okay, we gonna. What do they do first? Do they pour the ice or the coconut? I think they pour the coconut water. So y'all, I'm about to pour the coconut water. I don't want to run out of time. Damn, I don't got no nails. I had coconut water before and it wasn't good, so hopefully this is good. Okay, damn. Pressure for time. I'm talking too much and I'm not doing that, especially on TikTok, because you only get 60 seconds. I'm like halfway through. Okay. Damn. Okay. I'm gonna see. Okay. Bitch, stop moving. I'm gonna mess them up, y'all, but just, at least I'm trying to make a perfect one. Can y'all, when the behind the scenes of this video come out, it's gonna be so funny. Okay, I'm pouring the coconut water. Alright. Okay. I think that's enough water. Okay. We got some ice. Pour the ice in here. Oh damn. Okay. Okay. Pour the ice in here. Okay. And the next, I only got like a few seconds to eat the stuff. Eat it. I hope I don't have to remake this. It's all gonna be PS. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Dang, this ice is kind of big. I think this ice is kind of big, ain't it, y'all? Yeah, it is. I probably should have used like. Let me get a spoon. All right, I got a spoon. Okay. I'm really nervous to eat this because let me see what it smells like. I don't like the way the coconut smells. It smells like a chemical. I'm gonna let the ice need to melt down some. I wasn't thinking. I forgot these were some big ice cubes. Okay. I wish I had like some crunchy ice. I don't got no crunchy ice. I used to didn't know how to say crunchy, y'all. I used to say country. I got literally like a second to eat this. It's just gonna be like a... Actually, I'll just be like, oh, y'all wanna see the full video? Go to YouTube. That's what I'm gonna do. Cause I want to eat a piece of ice with it. I'm trying to let the ice melt, y'all, so see. Cause I used some big ice cubes. I forgot how big these ice cubes were. Okay. Okay. We almost getting somewhere. It don't smell good, y'all. I go off how stuff smell before I eat it. It don't smell good. It don't smell good at all. It don't. It don't. Bro, this shit gonna fuck up my teeth by trying to bite this ice. Okay. I literally got a second to eat this.
I'm trying to find my dog. Let me get you out of here.
If y'all could see how I look on the camera. Oops, let me show y'all. Oops, see? I don't know if y'all can see, but if you want to see this TikTok video I made, go to TikTok. It's on y'all TikTok. It's about done. Like, I'm probably gonna be able to eat this piece of ice. This is the smallest ice. I'm spilling. Y'all see? Hold on, this is my brother. I'ma assume he made a mistake and called me because he's not saying nothing. Okay. We gotta get a little bit of everything. I need a blueberry and a strawberry and a raspberry. I like strawberries. Okay. Damn. How can you get everything over? Ice, blueberry, and a okay, we got a blueberry, a raspberry, we got a little bit of everything. Let's see. Okay, this is nitrous cereal, y'all. I wish it could have been longer. It's not gonna be long enough. Y'all, my skin is breaking off so bad. It's breaking off so bad. I don't know why it's breaking off so bad. Okay. Y'all, my nephew wanna try it. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to my
Hi.
channel. Okay, he wanna try it. Huh. You want a piece of ice too? Yeah. Show the camera, yo. He gonna be honest. He said, it don't taste so good. It's nasty. I don't like it either. You can't get the taste what it is. Like, I can't really taste the coconut for real. I need a piece of ice with mine though. You gotta eat it like right. With a piece of ice, a blueberry, and a raspberry. Okay. This coconut water don't taste that bad. Maybe it was that coconut water I had. It's biting his ice. You know, cold stuff be hurting my teeth. Okay, y'all ready? It ain't disgusting like, ooh, I can't eat it, but I'm not gonna wake up and say, ooh. Oh, I like the coconut water, it's nasty. It's not that I'm gonna wake up and say, ooh, let me eat that. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Any other TikTok challenges you want to see me do, comment below. And I'm gonna do it for y'all. But on that note, on that time, I just really want the strawberries. I don't even want this. Ooh, I don't like the coconut water. Okay. On that note, on that time, remember, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, hit that bell, follow me on all our social media platforms. It's gonna be just interview, y'all. Peace.